you just kind of tap it. Sometimes they can get stuck on it. So sometimes the circuits can kind of get stuck. And I got one here and I put it in, but that's only one. There's a lot more of them to do, and it's kind of hard. It's a lot more harder to do it while you're trying, because I need the space on the table with the phone and the stand. But this is what I do. And sometimes the tip of the soldering iron can lose its sharpness, but I have a tool sharpening station, and it can sharpen the tip of the blade of the soldering iron. And so far I got like 1 or 2 grams of this from in here. But you can take off the circles in the middle. See, there's a circle in the middle taken off, and there's a circle, and then the outer circle as well can also be taken off. Everything else I don't do, because I'm soldering them off, unless you know how to use electrolysis or electroplating or something. As you can see, the tip of the soldering iron is a bit dull, so I might have to sharpen it in a bit. I'll see if I can take this off. This looks like it's off RAM or something, and I'll just see if I can use it. Yeah, looks like that can be used, because it's kind of like RAM. I'll try a different board. Try this board. This stuff is a bit more easier to take off. And what I do is I just get my finger and just tip them into the jar. And the quality of the gold on these boards are very good, because there's only copper at the bottom of it, and there's gold plating or low quality gold on the top. So, and I know with CPUs there's nickel, copper, or there's nickel, there can be gold, and what else? Sometimes copper. But with gold on phones, from phones, it's only from old phones like Nokia's and stuff like that. It's just copper and gold. So that's why the value of it is better. But it's hard to come across this kind of gold. So there's the gold part, and then underneath it is copper. It should be kind of an orangey color.